Hey guys, it's Autumn here. Just came home from school. This dog right here that I'm pointing more at is acting weird. Yes, it's acting weird. Here's my other dog. So I'm gonna do some tests on him. Spooky! See if he comes. Spooky! Spooky! Come on, doggy! Spooky! 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 Come on, run! Run, boy! Run! Run! Are you running? Spooky! Spooky! Sorry if I'm shaking it a lot because I was running. Oh, God. Oh, my tablet dropped. Sorry. Oh, that dropped too. Come on, Spook. Spook. Spooky. Come on, boy. Spooky, you're never like this. Ooh. Come on, Spook. Lucy! Hold on, I'm about to slap her. No. Sorry, girl. Spook! Come here. Come on, Spook. Come on. Come on. Spooky! Sorry if you see this for a second. Oh. Here's Elvis. He's all jealous. There's Sasha. There's Lucy. There's Spooky right there. Lucy! Spooky, I mean. Okay, Spooky, bye! Yeah, that's a good boy. Sorry guys, that wasn't my whistle. Hold on guys. Sorry. Lucy! I'm sorry for saying Lucy. Here he comes, here he comes. Act natural. Oh, that's a good boy. Now come here, come here, come here. They're just gonna see if you're acting weird, okay? Come on. No. Get away from that. Get away from the camera. Spooky! Come on. Okay. Acting good in the furious spot. This is his spirit spot, because his mom and dad died here. Oh, God. Guys, I think he's trying to show us something. Come on, Spook. Where do you want to go? Come on. Over here? Why did you want to come over here? Sorry, guys, if you saw a low battery thing. Why did you want to come over here, boy? Oh, this is where he last saw his parents. So, and that's also where he last saw his parents. Now, sorry if you didn't see that, but here, get a little thing right here. Walk through. Beer bottle on the ground, and more because the Mexicans across there. See? I don't think that's right. Okay. Let me find this, guys. I'll show you the outside of my house. I have to do it one-handed, though. See, there's Mexican's house. You can just tell. There's my neighbor's house. Dogs would be out right now, but they're not. And then there's the road. There's the road one of my Australian friends live at, and British friends from England and Australia. Okay, guys. Sorry if it's really shaky for you. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Spooky! Oh, there you are. There's a good view of my neighbor's house. Spooky, don't leave. Sorry. Just keep on staying on the floor. Okay. Let me show you what that is over there soon. There's good.